children. Welcome back to our GS class. In the last class, we already learned about cleanliness. Okay. Today, we are going to do the activities in the same chapter. Okay. So, you all take your textbook and get ready. Okay. Okay. You all take page number 173. Okay, get ready? Yes. Concept recall. Once again, we will revise the main points. Cleanliness. Cleanliness include. Cleanliness mean brush our teeth, keep our nails short, wash our hands before and after every meal, wear clean clothes, shampoo to keep hair clean, take a bath daily, keep your classroom clean, keep your house tidy and clean, keep your rooms neat and clean, and comb your hair. Okay, understood? Yes. Then you all take next page number 174. Okay, exercises. We should write T for true and F for false sentences. Okay, first one, we should take a bath every day. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. So you write T here. We should take a bath every day. Then second one, we do not have to use soap and water during bathing. Is it true or false? False. We should use soap and water to clean our body. Okay, so this sentence is false. So you write F. Third one, we should wash our hands after every meal only. No, we should wash our hands before and after every meal. Okay, so this sentence also false one. So you write F. Then fourth one, we could trip and fall if things are laying around. Yes, things are laying around. We could trip and fall. So this sentence is true. So you write T. Then fifth one, our classroom belongs to the teacher. No, our classroom not only belongs to the teacher, it also belongs to the students. So this sentence also wrong one, false one. So you write F. Then fill in the blanks. We take a dash with soap and water. We take a bath. Yes, bath. B-A-T-H. Bath. Then second one. We should wear clean dash after a bath. Clean clothes. Okay, clothes. Clothes spelling C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Then third one, dirt gets collected under our nails. Yes, nails. You write nails. N-A-I-L-S. Then fourth one, we should throw garbage in the dustbin. Okay, dustbin. Dustbin spelling D-U-S-T-B-I-N. Okay, understood? Yes. Then third one, answer the following questions. With what should we wipe ourselves? with a clean towel. Okay, with a clean towel. Then second one, when should you wash your hands? Before and after every meal, we should wash our hands. Then third one, what makes our teeth healthy? Brush our teeth twice a day. Okay, brushing the teeth twice a day makes our teeth healthy. Then fourth one, why is it our duty to keep our classroom clean? Classroom also belongs to students. Okay, so we should clean our classroom. Clean surrounding helps us to keep good health. So we should keep our classroom neat and clean for good health and proper learning. Okay, yes. Then fifth one, how can we keep our neighborhood clean? Don't throw garbages on the road. Put waste in the dustbin. Don't put the waste outside of the dustbin. Okay, yes. Then next one, higher order thinking skills. Okay. Why is it important to wear clean clothes after a bath? Bathing cleanses our body. Wearing dirty clothes after bathing makes our body dirty again. Okay. Dirty clothes carry dirt and germs. It causes bad smell and diseases. So we should wear clean clothes after a bath. Okay. Yes. This question only for understanding. No need to write. Okay. Then value-based questions. Value-based question. Sarah is your best friend. Whenever she comes to your house, she starts sneezing. It is because she is allergic to dust. What can you do to make sure that Sarah does not sneeze the next time she comes to your place? You should clean your house and make sure that there is no dirt in your house. Okay. How can you clean your house? By dusting and mopping. By dusting and mopping, you clean your house and make sure that there is no dust, any dust in your house. Okay, thus you can make sure that Sarah does not sneeze the next time she comes to your place. Okay. Then there is an activity for you. Write the order in which you get ready in the morning. Okay. You put number. The activity do. You do in order. Okay. You do which activity you do first. You put 1. Then second one you put 2. Number 2. Then third one you put the number 3. Okay. You do this activity yourself. Okay. Yes. You all do these activities and I will send the questions and answers through WhatsApp. You write only those questions and answers in your notebook and study well. Okay. Children, you all do the exercises in the textbook. Okay. Then it's time to wind up. We will see in the next class with the new lesson. Okay, thank you.